The Philippines government is facing a strong criticism from the international community after confirming that it needs approval from the United States before it can purchase additional oil supply from Russia. This report. Energy Secretary Sharon Garin has confirmed that the Philippines is seeking permission from the United States to procure more oil from Russia. According to her, this is due to the escalating tensions in the Middle East, with no clear timeline as to when the conflict will end. The issue has sparked debate online, particularly on the platform X, where users from across the region weighed in. Many foreign netizens expressed their sentiments and questioned the Philippines' limitations in making independent decisions that directly affect its economy and its people. One netizen from Indonesia said this reflects the negative effects of being part of a bloc or alliance. He emphasized that while Indonesia is free to purchase oil from Russia, the Philippines, as a U.S. non-NATO ally, still needs to seek approval from America. Others pointed out the situation as unfortunate for the Philippines. According to him, it would be better not to join any alliance at all. Back home, the issue has also drawn criticism from some political figures. On SMNI's program, former presidential spokesperson and chief legal counsel Salvador Panelo questioned why the Philippines needs to ask permission from the United States.
Kasi kung merong agreement na bago ka pumunta sa Russia, kaugnay sa isang trade, kailangan magpaalam ka sa amin kung merong kasunduan na gano'n. Dapat hindi tayo pumasok sa gano'ng kasunduan. Pagkat pag ikaw'y pumasok dyan, para mo nang sinasabing tutakan itong pinapayagan mo na magdidikta sa'yo. Labag sa ating kasarinlan. Labag yan sa kalayaan ng isang bansa. Kaya nagkamali si Secretary Garindon kung siya ay humihingi ng permiso para bumili ng langis o gas sa Russia. Kung meron mang kasunduan na puwersa siya magsalita ng gano'n, dapat binanatan niya yung kasunduan na yun at hindi pa pwede yun.